So you've probably noticed that your food budget is getting really squeezed these days. And it sure looks like things are only going to get worse. Well, if 50 years in the kitchen has taught me anything, it's that one of the best hedges in times like these is tapping into a whole range of kitchen skills. I'm talking about everything from learning how to prepare budget-friendly meals from scratch, making good use of leftovers, stocking your pantry smartly, and getting back to basics with projects like making your own bread. So, to help you out with that last one, I've got a class coming up next week that you won't want to miss. It's called Cinnamon Rolls and Soda Bread. Now, everyone loves cinnamon rolls, and even if they aren't your everyday bread, the skills you need to make them can be applied to just about any yeast bread that you want to bake. So first, I'll walk you through how we make the dough, how we let it rise, and how do we know when it's ready to be shaped. I'll show you how we get it into the right shape, exactly what goes into our delicious cinnamon and brown sugar filling, how we turn it into rolls, know when those rolls are ready to bake, and how to tell when they're done. And finally, we'll slather those beauties with our heavenly cream cheese frosting. Now, be still your heart, because we still have to make the world's best Irish soda bread, which looks like a yeast bread, but it's not. It's a quick bread, and a delicious multi-purpose one at that. You can make open-faced sandwiches with it, slather it with peanut butter. You have it for breakfast, smeared with butter and honey. Basically, there's not a lot you can't do with it. It takes about 5 minutes to mix it up and shape, then it goes right into the oven, easy peasy. So, if you want to learn to make bread, this is a class for you. Even if you're an old pro, I think you're really going to love this class and learn some new tricks. So get signed up, you'll find the links below, and I'll see you in class next week. Thanks for watching.